Welcome! In this quick and updated tutorial, you'll learn how to send strike-through text in Telegram chat. If you've ever wanted to make your messages look more stylish or emphasize edits, this trick is going to be really helpful. Let's go step by step so you can do it easily on your phone. First, open Telegram on your device. Once you're in, tap on the chat where you want to send the message. It can be a private chat, a group, or even your saved messages if you just want to test it out first. Next, type your message in the chat box just like you normally would. You can write anything. You'll choose which part you want to apply the strike-through effect to in the next step. Now, tap and hold the specific word or sentence that you want to appear with a line through it. When you do that, a small menu will appear with different formatting options. Look for the 3 dots or more button depending on your device or version of Telegram. After tapping the 3 dots, you'll see a list of text styles you can apply. Choose strike-through from that list. You'll immediately notice that your selected text now has a line running through it, showing that the formatting worked. Once your message looks the way you want, simply tap send. Telegram will deliver your message exactly as you formatted it, with that clean line through the selected words, perfect for showing corrections, edits, or playful sarcasm in your chats. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned the simplest way to send strike-through text in Telegram using the latest app interface. It's a small detail, but it makes your messages stand out and look more intentional. Try mixing it with other formatting options like bold or italic to add more style to your conversations. If this guide helped you, take a moment to try it out and explore more of Telegram's handy text features. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.